Let's get our red, white, and blue on this 4th of July with Brow Bar by Rima. Start your makeup with a blank canvas of foundation and concealer, and then dive into the Sapphire Siren Face Kit by taking the translucent powder to set your makeup. We're going to be using the Badass Brow Laminate today, spraying a little bit of water onto the brush and then brushing those brow hairs upward and outward for a nice clean brow. Grab your BROWlights Camera Action Duo Brow Highlighter so we can clean up under those brows. We're using the creamy matte side and just lining underneath and then blending it downward. To get the best color we possibly can on our eyeshadow, use an eyeshadow base or primer, and then let's start applying our color. We're using the contour shade in the Sapphire Siren Face Kit and beginning to place that in the crease and blending outward. Take those two darkest shades, mix them together, and then apply them on the outer corner of the lid. We're going to use the contour shade under the eye and then move on to a half cut crease with the brow lift. I'm using a flat brush and then stamping on the beginning of the product and then creating a smooth line and blending it in. We're going to add our first vibrant blue by really packing it into the lid and in that cut crease. Next up, take that contour shade again and just make sure that everything is balanced out with eyeshadow on the bottom. We're going into the Brow Bar by Rima Blue Eyeliner Gel and creating a winged liner with an angled brush. We're getting a little bit creative with a detail brush and some graphic liner with the chrome lipstick. I'm lining my bottom waterline with a blue liner and then applying my favorite Brow Bar lashes. We're gonna round out our face makeup with some contour blush and highlight. And then taking that same red lipstick, finish out those lips, and we need a final touch of the BROWlights Camera Action on the inner corner of the eye and then under the brow using the shimmery end, and our look is complete.